Yanfeng is a world leader in automotive interiors focused on product development, system integration, and design. The company was facing multiple challenges in its Shanghai warehouse due to labor-intensive operations, difficulties managing inventory, and low visibility, leading to complications tracking the manufacturing flow and high error rates. With long transportation paths and a system reliant on frequent manual handling of materials, they were looking for an automation solution that would allow them to streamline the manufacturing process and provide better service. Geekplus moving system and M100 robots feature strong lifting capabilities and SLAM navigation, which allows the robots to operate complex environments on industrial sites. Through the deployment of M100 robots, Yanfeng is now able to improve the organization of empty containers, streamline the transfer of raw materials to the production line, and secure the delivery of finished goods. By connecting Geekplus moving system to the warehouse management system and manufacturing execution system, it allows the company to monitor the manufacturing process in real time. Today, Geekplus moving system has enabled Yanfeng to reduce labor costs, realize 99% accurate operations, and better manage the manufacturing process through real-time visibility. Want to know more? Contact us on geekplus.com now.